Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on email notifications for new pins you save on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three dots icon. Select settings. Tap on notifications. Open by email. And then select the button beside saves under pins you saved. And that's it. Now, you will receive email notifications for each pin you save on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.